A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. Good morning, everyone. With these beautiful lines, let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Today, I, Jyoti Mehta, a primary teacher, is here to share a few words about this great leader. Any words of praise fall short in describing how great his works towards humanity and towards India's freedom. So children, do you know why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year on 2nd October? Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji and also to pay a tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact, in the whole world, this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhi, also known as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869. He took birth in state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. The legacy which Gandhiji has left behind still impacts the people living in modern times. This is Gandhiji's 151st birth anniversary. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu, as you all know. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhiji's principle of peace and non-violence. He has gone through a long struggle so that we, the people of India, can breathe in an independent nation. He was a devotee of truth and non-violence. He did great works all through his life, which still has an impact on the people in this modern era. He has worked with great effort to achieve Swaraj, to remove untouchability customs from society, the eradication of social evils, empowering women's rights, developing the economic condition of farmers, and many more. Gandhiji spent a major part of his life to get freedom for our country. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He always encouraged the people of India to have faith in themselves and fight for their rights. It is because of his devotion and struggle that India is a free bird today. So, today on his birthday, let us remember him and celebrate this day with joy and prosperity. His life is an inspiration for all of us, and the sacrifices he made are our responsibilities now. So, children, I would like to share a small incident of Gandhiji's life. There is an incident which occurred at the examination during his first year at the high school. So, children, listen carefully. During a routine examination in school, Gandhiji and his peers were asked to spell 5 words. Gandhiji did not know the spelling of kettle, 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 and misspelled it. While the examination inspector, who came there for inspection, was doing his rounds, the teacher noticed the wrong spelling and prompted Gandhiji to correct it. But Gandhiji refused to do it, and his mistake was caught by the inspector. Later, when the teacher asked him why he did not copy from his neighbor, Gandhiji said that he would rather be wrong than cheat. So, children, I hope you all will follow his teachings during your examination also. Gandhiji not only preached the truth, but he also practiced it, which you have listened in the story also. So, the moral of this incident, which I have told you, is be true to yourself. Always be true to yourself. So, I hope, children, you all will practice this teaching in your future also. So let us contribute ourselves to the growth and development of our country, to pay a salute to our nation's father. Do not waste their efforts and struggles by letting our country go down. Even our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to maintain the cleanliness on this very important day. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhiji's values and deeds, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.